Nurses, are you tired of working extra shifts just to get by? What if I told you that your skills make you the perfect trader? I want to show you how I have been able to stay profitable and how you can use this skill to earn something extra as you are working your 9 to 5. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe. Hello ladies and gentlemen, let's do some trade recaps so that I can see you how easy it is to make some nice profits like the way we've done this week. So what is the process? It's all very simple, and the underlying principle is that if you have a candle that looks like that, let's use bullish candle. If the next candle closes as a bullish breakout candle, if you are in a trade, you continue holding as price is breaking out. But then the moment price stops breaking out, then that is a red flag and you should prepare to exit. And if the next candle is a breakout candle, that is your exit and you take your profits. So yesterday we caught a number of trades and I want to show you exactly how we do it. So number one is time. You come to the screen at a very specific time, and that is 9:30 a.m. Eastern time or New York time or US time. This is when the US market is opening. Now, the reason why we come to the screen at this specific time is because when the market opens, the first 1 hour, 2 hours there, you have a lot of volume in the market. And so you want to capitalize on that volume. All right. So you've come to the screen at 9:30. What do you do exactly? So let's cut back to 9:30. All right. So when you come to the screen at 9:30, this is what you see. And what you want to ask yourself is very simple. What am I seeing? Is this a consolidation or are we in a trend? So the markets will do three things. The markets will break out and continue with a trend. So if you are in a trending market, you leave it alone until it starts consolidating, or you might be in a downtrend. Same thing. If you are in a downtrend, you let the trend exhaust itself and then you wait for a consolidation. And a consolidation is just when price is bound between a range. For example, let's use oil. So when you come to the screen, you find that price is very bullish. But once you reach this zone, so this was a whole move, but once you reached this area, price was not going anywhere. So we have created a level or a zone of consolidation. Now, after 9:30, once you have drawn your zone of consolidation, the next step is for you to wait for price to close as a breakout. Now, if price pins either the high or the low, for example, like this, all you do is expand your low to that low. And then you wait for a breakout. Same thing, if it pins the low, you expand the low. Until we see a clear candle closure below our low, if we are selling. All right, so price is just consolidating and then boom, at 10 a.m. we have that breakout candle. And you can see clearly price closed below our low of the consolidation. And we are using the 5 minute. Now, I've been scalping on the 1 minute, and what I've realized is I have been getting quite a number of signals. And so what we've done to limit the number of trades generated in that 1.5 hour period, we are using the 5 minute. So it takes a bit time to form, but it also gives you a nice setup that can be over in just 30 minutes. All right. So now you have a breakout. This is your entry. So the moment that candle closed as a breakout, that is your entry. Stop loss is a few pips above that high. Now, your target can be even a 1:4 or a 1:5, depending on how the market moves. Now, before we even start managing the trade, there are 4 types of trades that you need to know about. Trade number 1 is full TP direct. These are those trades that you get in and price just plummets and it goes to your TP direct without any hit. Those are the best trades. Number 2, we have full stop loss direct. In this type of trades, once you get in, you get stopped out immediately and you can't do anything about it. If you get a full TP, you can't complain about a full stop loss. That is a package deal. Now, the next type of trade is a small win. And a small win is when price is going in your direction and then it gives you a reversal signal. So rather than you waiting for price to stop you out, you exit with a small win. Also, there is small loss. And same thing, you get in, price maybe goes in your direction or even starts going to your TP, but does not hit your TP directly. It's like it starts stalling before going. So if you can be able to identify, oh, at this point, if price goes beyond this point, I'm going to lose money for no reason, you exit. So we will talk about and we will look at different examples showing you the full TP, full stop loss, small win, and small loss. All right, so we've gotten into this trade. So what is our formula once you get into a trade? So this candle looks like this. So it's a bearish candle. So this is how we follow. This is how we know how to hold or to exit. So if the next candle is a bearish candle, like that, and it's a breakout, you hold. And even the next one, if it's a bearish candle, you hold. You only start to exit when we see bullish candles. So let's see. Next candle goes down nicely, that's a breakout. So continue holding. Next one is also a bearish breakout candle, continue holding. Next one is also a bearish breakout candle, continue holding. Then the next one continues, so that's an inside candle, but still it's bearish, so continue holding. Next one, now it's a bullish candle. So at this point, this is a red flag. All right, now if it's a red flag, what you do is you draw a high. So you draw a line at that high. Remember, we are selling. And so if the next candle is a bullish candle and it closes above like that, that is a confirmation. So you need to exit that position the moment this bullish candle prints. Let's see. All right, next one pierces that high, is not a breakout, then we continue holding. Next one is a breakout, we continue holding. Next one is a breakout, we continue holding. Next one is a bearish candle, so we continue holding. Next one is a bullish candle. So at this point, I'm thinking, if price closes above this high, I'm out. Let's see what happens. Next candle, bearish candle, nice. Then next candle, bearish, next candle hits TP. At that point, you can exit. That is a nice 1:4. And if you are a bit greedy, you can continue holding. Because this candle now, what you do is you bring your line here. So if the next candle breaks out and closes above it, you exit. Let's see. Next candle, bearish. Next candle, bearish. Ooh, nice. So you continue holding. Next candle, it's a bullish or bearish candle. Next candle, it's a bullish candle. Now, anything above this high, we exit. If we close above it. Next candle, bearish candle. Next candle, bearish candle. Ooh. Next candle, bearish candle. Next candle, bearish candle. Next candle, bullish candle. So if we close above this high, we are out. Next candle, bearish. Next candle, bullish. And then that is our high. So if we close above this high as a breakout, that's an exit. So not yet, and then not yet, not yet. So price is just continuing to go down, but notice what happened here. We got this bullish candle, and then the next candle closed above it. So that is your official exit, and a nice 1:6. That is number one. Now let's look at a trade we also took on US 30. Was it US 30? Yes, US 30. All right. So we still come to the screen at the right time. And when we come, we see we were in an uptrend, but then price here started stalling. So this is our level. We have this one touch, this second touch, and it has expanded the high up to that level. And to the downside, this is our level, but up to there. So if we break above or below, above we buy, below we sell. Let's see. So we broke out. That was our entry, going long. And then stop loss is below breakout candle. And then you are targeting your own target, but you will also manage the trade accordingly. Next candle is a complete reversal candle. So we don't begin this trade on a good start. But now my thinking is, if we close below this bearish candle, I'm out. Let's see. Next candle closes at that low. All right, I'm out. That was my exit. So you can see I did save myself a couple of dollars, because that is almost like maybe half or 3/4. So this is what we call a small loss. Yes. So basically, it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So if you got value from this video, subscribe. We have an exclusive community of nurses just like you who are interested in building their wealth as they are working their 9 to 5. And so check out the free course in our community. I will see you on the inside.